Hey everybody, I'm back again here to do another collection video. This time, it regards a collection that I've done before, but I'm going to be doing it again here. This is my Ratchet and Clank collection, 2016 edition. We're going to start, and I'm going to showcase all my Ratchet and Clank games, and all of them that I have for the PS2, PSP, PS3, and PS4. So we're going to start things off with the original PlayStation 2. And to start off, I have the first game on the PS2. And then, I may have shown this to you before, but I'll show you the manual here, part of it. See right here? It's ripped. So I might need to get a new manual, but at least I have one right now. Up next, I don't have the original case for this, but I do have a case for it. That is Ratchet and Clank Going Commando, which is the sequel to the first Ratchet and Clank. Next up your arsenal. This is the original case to it, but there's no manual to it, as you can see. But at least I have the disc as well. Next up, Ratchet Deadlocked, which is actually, I guess, not just another like a spin-off or whatever, but this is I guess this is a sequel as well, as somebody said. I don't remember his name. He did his PS2 overview in one video he did, was third-person platformers. Anyway, this is, I guess, the next game to Ratchet and Clank. Up next, we're still on PS2. Ratchet and Clank Size Matters. This game is, I guess, well, this one's, I do not think this one is made by Insomniac, but it could still be the fifth game anyway. But, and last for the PS2 is a game that I think I've only played like one time. Secret Agent Clank. And this game is just a spin-off, I think. I wouldn't say this does not look like this does not look like it was made by Insomniac, but oh well. Now to go to the one PSP game, and it is one that I showed you for the PS2, and that is Size Matters, which I do have the UMD and the manual for as well. And I think I've tried to show you this before, but you might not be able to tell because of the Excuse me. I guess because of the glare on my webcam, but this manual is pretty beat up. I probably messed this thing up. So that's the only PSP game I have for Ratchet and Clank. Now into the 4, I think, PS3 games. Starting off with Ratchet and Clank Collection, which includes the first game, Going Commando, and Up Your Arsenal. And I actually think that this game was how I first was when I first played Going Commando and Up Your Arsenal. I already had Ratchet and Clank when I got this game though, and I still have it, of course, as you saw earlier. Now for one that it is made by Insomniac, but it's I guess you might only like this game if you like, I don't know, Dynasty Warriors, or maybe even Hyrule Warriors for the Wii U. But anyway, that is Full Frontal Assault. I probably won't play that again, maybe, or I might, but you know, who knows. Next is the Future series, starting off with A Crack in Time, which I think this probably is the only Ratchet and Clank out of all of these that I've actually beaten. And up next, and this is the last one for the PS3, we got Tools of Destruction. Which isn't the original case, but just like Going Commando wasn't, but anyway, now onto the one and only PS4 game. I showed this in an update yesterday, I believe, and it is the reimagining of the first game. And this is Ratchet and Clank for the PS4. Alright, that does it for this collection video. See y'all for my next one.